On Canva, let's go ahead and just open a Twitter post. And I have this basic, there's really nothing going on right now. And here's what I want to do. To use the AI that's in Canva, I need to go to the apps and I'm going to search for Magic Media. And this Magic Media is going to help me create an image that I would like to have. So I'm going to put in a description of that image. So I'm going to use this prompt, a group of 10 turkeys on playground equipment, and I'll just generate that image and it will end up giving me 4 choices. So there we go. I'm going to go with these turkeys hanging out on this playground equipment. And then I could do more things. I could use the other elements that are here. There's frames that I could use. I could frame up my turkeys. So there's all sorts of different elements then that I could use within Canva. Have to play around a little bit to make all of it work perfectly. There's also text. I could add different types of words. So that's how you can use the AI in Canva.